Hello girls, I know you all are at your home. I'm also at my home, but this learning should never stop. So I'm here with your EVS lesson, Plant Life. So what is plant? When this plant word comes in your mind, what do you think about plant? You must be thinking that plant is very useful for us. It gives you medicine, it provides us oxygen, right? It also provides us furnitures. So plant system basically have two types of system. So one, that is your root system. So that is your root system. And the second is your shoot system. Right. So plant basically have two types of system. The first one is root system and the second one is shoot system. Now, what is root system? What do you understand by this root system? So I have a wild plant with me and you can see here that this is the root part. Right. So this will be called as root system. And here you can see that here it has leaves. You can see a small tiny flower also, right? So this is called as shoot system. So here this is called as root system, and from here it will be called as shoot system. So shoot system basically it has leaves, flower, buds, and root system is only having roots. So come on, I'll take you to my small garden where I'll show you the types of plant also. So you all have studied about types of plant, that is your herb, shrub, tree, climber, creeper. So let us see that. So now you can see your plant. This plant is called as asparagus, and here you can see that it is considered to be herb. This asparagus, it is categorized as a herb. Why herb? Because you can see stem. Stem are not woody, right? Stem, they are having very thin stem. So that is why it is considered to be in a herb category. I have next, this is chili plant. Okay, you can see this is chili plant and you can see that chilies are also here. So it comes under shrub category. So if you will see this stem, you can see the stem. Yes, it is woody, but it is not very strong, right? It has a medium height. It is not very tall. Okay, it is not tallest, you can say. It has a stem, it has a woody stem, but yes, it do not have a very broad trunk. Next is your tree. So you can see here, this is my mango tree. This is mango tree. And you can see that this comes under tree because it has a woody stem and it has a broad trunk. It is tallest. That is why it comes under tree category. And here you can see money plant. And it comes under climber category, right? So yes, these are the types of plant.